The primary working unit of nervous system in human beings is neuron, and human brain consists of around 85 billion neurons. The neuron differ in shape, size, etc. For example, there may be sensory neurons, motor neurons, or synaptic neurons. The tree-like structure in a neuron, known as dendrites, receive the information. They receive this information by receptors that are located on dendrites from other neurons. The signal received at the receptor of dendrites are in the form of chemicals. Here, these chemicals are known as neurotransmitters. Once the chemical signal is received, the dendrites cause electrical changes in a neuron that reach the cell body known as soma, which contains DNA in its nucleus. The information is compiled at axon hillock. The signal is then sent on to the axon. Once the signal reaches the axon, it is known as action potential. The axon is insulated by myelin sheath that prevents the degradation of this action potential. The neurotransmitters, that is the chemical signal, is released at the axon terminal due to this action potential in the synaptic cleft, where it interacts with the receptors of the next neuron. The neuron that transmits the information is known as presynaptic neuron, and the one which receives the information as neurotransmitters is known as postsynaptic neuron. The neurotransmitters in the presynaptic neurons are packaged into small vesicles, which upon excitation by the electric signal, that is the action potential, fuse to the membrane of presynaptic neuron, thereby releasing the neurotransmitters in the synaptic cleft. In the synaptic cleft, they interact with the receptors on the membrane of the postsynaptic neuron, thereby activating it with the transfer of action potential. So this is how the information relay is conducted to reach its target. This was all about the structure of neuron and the nerve impulse conduction.